Hey everyone, so if you want to see what I'm going to do with this design, then carry on watching, but I have a very big favor to ask. So my Christmas wish is to this video reach 1 million views, because next year I want to be featured in an international cross-stitch magazine, if it's possible. But I know you can do everything, so thank you, and let's keep watching. Hey everyone, it's Maria from Maria Custos Designs. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make lace icing looking cross-stitch gingerbread cookie. What you're going to need is white floss thread, a sharp scissor, a needle, and lots of patience. Okay, let's get started. Okay, because it's backstitch, you're only gonna need one skein, which means originally it comes as 6. So when you open one floss, it's gonna have 6 skeins in it. Okay, you're only gonna need one. Okay, as you can see now, I finished one way. Now turn it around and do the other side. Make sure you do 4 stitches, so one start to the end. Okay. Okay, so now when you reach this part, now that's when you need to be patient. So when you see these crosses, when the lines crossing each other, that's where you need to make a loop. Okay, so come at the same point up and go on the same point down. Okay, so it won't be visible. Okay, so we are now in the last 3 stitches. Remember, up in the hole, go around, down in the same hole. Okay, so like here, up on one side, go across, go down in the same hole. And 2 more. It definitely is a patience game. It took me like almost an hour to do just this much, but it's definitely worth it, don't you think? And the last one. Voila. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but all the squares are, well, almost perfect. It looks really cool. I love it.